Hello, my name is Yan, and so you all know that recently the word plastics has been mentioned as the enemy of any environmental issue. But is it really the case? Let's find out where plastic come from. Plastics made of chemical compounds that come from fossil fuels, which means that if you still need petroleum or gasoline for your cars or motorbikes, there is still plastic. It's like you can't reduce the amount of chicken drumstick if you are still demanding or asking for chicken wings. So when we first discovered of renewable energy, we have long been advertising that we have found the solution for our environmental problems. But do you know where the solar battery storages come from? They took a lot of resources from the ground, and they take even more time to decompose than plastic. When they are in the end of life cycle, they bring toxic into the atmosphere, so that create air pollution, which is popular in Hanoi recently. So also, do you know where the biodegradable materials come from? We cut down our trees and we exploit natural resources for these. So are these alternatives environmental friendly, or is just another type of environmental exploitation? There is a trend going now on the social media. It's no plastic, or go solar, or buy canvas bags. People following trends. We throw away old stuff and we buy the new things. So these alternatives do have their good intention, but I want people will not have an illusion that this is an ultimate solution. So I want you to all look back at a very familiar process called 3R. It starts with the word reduce. We don't need any alternatives more. We just need to do with a very simple thing, reduce. Don't buy things that is not necessary. Turn off the lights when you don't need it. Spend less time with the AC and more time with the nature. So in Japan, plastics is very common, but people in Japan make sure that there is more than one trash cans at their places, so they can sort out trash in different categories from the beginning. And after that, those wastes will eventually come back to the recycling process and become a material, while most plastic wastes in Vietnam will end up in landfills and burned into ashes. So I want to say that plastic do not have its problem. We are our problem, and if we do not change ourselves right now, we will become our victims for our own action today. Thank you.